In today's video, I'm going to teach you a tutorial for email marketing. We'll build a polished marketing email in HubSpot, from creating the message to publishing it with confidence. Start by opening your HubSpot account and heading to the main home dashboard. From there, look to the top navigation, hover over the marketing menu, and choose Email. This takes you into your email tool, where you can see existing messages and create new ones. Select the option to create a new email. When the email types appear, choose Regular for this walkthrough. Regular emails are one-time sends you schedule or send now. You'll also see automated and blog/RSS options, which are great for workflows and content digests, but we'll keep it simple with a standard campaign. Next, pick Start from Scratch to open the drag and drop editor. This gives you full control over layout and design. On the left, you'll see modules such as text, images, buttons, and dividers. Drag the text module onto the canvas to begin writing your content. Keep your copy clear, benefit-focused, and concise. Use short paragraphs and strong calls to action so readers know exactly what to do next. Modules are the building blocks of your email. They help you structure content consistently, reuse patterns, and maintain brand styling without rebuilding from zero each time. Because modules are responsive, they also improve the reading experience on mobile, which can lift engagement and reduce formatting issues. When your content looks good, move to the Send options to choose recipients. You can target a saved list, or enroll people through automation so the right contacts receive the right email based on behavior or lifecycle stage. This kind of targeted delivery improves relevance and performance. Always make sure your audience has opted in and complies with your email policies. Add your subject line and, if available, preview text. The subject line is the single biggest driver of opens, so keep it specific, honest, and under about 50 characters. Consider light personalization when appropriate, and avoid spammy language or excessive punctuation. Before sending, click Review and Publish. Use this checkpoint to confirm links, images, the footer, and legal requirements like your address and unsubscribe link. Fix any warnings the tool flags so your email is set up correctly. When everything is green, click Publish to finalize. After publishing, rename the email to a clear, searchable title that matches your campaign naming convention. This makes performance tracking and reporting much easier later on. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.